Okay, give it a try. Pero dale para allá luego. Nice straight, okay? Nice straight. Hey guys, Reno here. It's Monday, 12 p.m. Practically, it's already Tuesday. And I got a call to go into the wash again. We have an excursion, a 4 excursion, which you know is a lot heavier. It got stuck in sand, and by the looks of it, should be an easier recovery, but you never know what's gonna happen down there. So we're heading down that way, and as soon as I get there, you know, I keep recording, and thank you for coming along. Okay, here we go.
Should be just around the corner, pretty much. So we're right there by the
and there they are. All right, mijo.
Yeah. Oh, my. There. Yep. As you can see here, every time he felt a little bit of traction and tried to go faster, he would just sink back in.
gonna, it's gonna take us a little bit longer to get you out.
No, I'm pretty sure it'll yeah.
Let me hook you.
The owner insisted on to go on his own, but I told him that that was not a good idea.
Okay, give it a try. Pero dale para allá luego. Back space, okay? Back space. Get that. No, you're thinking in. Espérate. Te voy a jalar un poco más para atrás y luego me voy a poner enfrente de ti. Ok, entonces déjame doy la vuelta y te jalo para atrás. Alright? I would say let's go back further. Yeah, porque si te metes al agua, más seguro que te puedes entrar otra vez. So let me pull you back that way. Y luego me voy a pasar enfrente de ti para cruzar el río. Alright, so hold on. Let me turn around.
So we decided that it would be best for me to pull him back first, get him close to the river, and then go in front of him and pull him forward through the river.
Ok, te voy a jalar hasta que el frente quede donde está la entrada para el río. Y luego me voy a voltear y te voy a jalar para enfrente. Pasando del otro lado del río ya está mejor la arena. Alright? So, put it on reverse, slow, no le des duro tú.
The sand here was very soft. I tried to climb up that little hill, but with the weight of the excursion, it was making it really difficult for me to get any traction on the sand.
Hey, let me go forward. I'll probably be able to go forward.
Okay, hold on, let me hook you.
The owner kept insisting on going on his own.
I'm about to snap my neck. Good?
Yeah. No, hola. Aguanta. Por de qué lado hay pasada, ¿verdad?
I'm telling you, if I get the water, I'm telling you, like I can go slow and I'll grab traction.
Pero vas a salir a la tierra otra vez.
No, I can go that way. Then I'll grab the good dirt
It's
over
gonna be
there.
worse, pero bueno, tú dices. Lo más rápido es aquí. So,
Soft as sand is bad.
yeah.
And my dip is probably gonna end up snapping.
Yeah, por eso no le des duro. That's what I'm saying, don't go fast. Tú le das duro y vas a madrear algo. Okay, so I got the excursion out of the way, and now I gotta go back for the people so they don't have to cross the river on foot. So just so you know, I don't only do recoveries, I do a lot of Ubering too. El Wash Uber. Oh, sure. They're already across the river anyway. I was coming for you guys. All right, hold on. Okay, so you know, for excursion, that's a pretty heavy truck, but we were able to manage it, and now they're going home. So again, guys, thank you for following us. Thank you for liking and sharing our videos, and we'll see you next time.